Next are lab assignments. Laboratory assignments include hands-on activities to assist in your understanding of the topics, as well as activities that relate the topics to actual world use. Many of these include interactive websites that include plugins. It is up to you to be prepared with the appropriate technology to complete the assignment on time. Extra time will not be given due to technical issues of this nature. You have plenty of time to complete the assignments and should start them promptly when they are available to you. Each week's lab assignments are worth 10 points for a total of 150 points for lab assignments. So I've already mentioned the plugins previously. If you have any issues with IT, make sure that you contact them as soon as possible within the week. I've also mentioned previously opening up all of the assignments at the very beginning of the week and kind of scrolling through each assignment to make sure that you kind of have a general idea of what's expected of you for each of the assignments, how long you think each of them are going to take so that you can schedule appropriately. So make sure that at that time, if you notice that you need to click on any links and do any virtual hands-on activities, that you perhaps click on those to see if you have the appropriate plugins so you can get them downloaded earlier in the week rather than waiting until the end of the week when things are due. And again, these lab assignments are going to be hands-on activities that are going to require that you label things, that you do some interactive things online to kind of get more of a hands-on approach, more of a kind of a 3D approach to the material. And then it's worth the 10 points for 150 points. So we're going to move on to the quizzes next. Practice quizzes will be provided each week that will assist in your understanding of the material, as well as prepare you for the unit exam. Quizzes are to be taken digitally through Canvas. Quizzes may be taken multiple times with the highest score maintained as the final grade for the quiz. Each week's quizzes are worth 20 points for a total of 300 points for quizzes, with the exception of the end of semester quiz, which is outlined below. So for quizzes, as is mentioned, there are practice quizzes. Every single week you'll have a quiz due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. That quiz covers all of the material that you should have learned throughout the week, and you can take it multiple times. So if you want to, if this is helpful to you, you could take it at the beginning of the week just to kind of test your knowledge, and then you could take it midway through the week to test your knowledge, and then take it again at the end of the week to make sure you get the points that you want. You could just use it at the end of the week, just do it once and just kind of use it as an exam and be like, what did I get? And that's my score. You could do it at the end of the week multiple times to use it to get the highest score possible, which of course I recommend. Or you can use it and do it dozens of times just as a way to practice. So the highest score will always be what your final grade is for the quiz. So if you take it early on and you get 1 point out of 20, don't worry about it, because it's whatever at the end of the week is your highest score. So if you take it 10 more times since then, whatever your highest score is will be fine. Even if your lowest score is a 0 or a 1, it doesn't matter.